everybody, again it's me Asang Filipina, and today I'm going to show you my toenail polish today. So this is dark purple toenails and then well today I have this new flip-flops, so I'm gonna try it on. Quite bright here, so I'm gonna move my camera later. So this one, I have this, and I forgot that I have this one, so I found it in my shoe section, shoe collection. So I didn't try this yet, so I'm gonna try this for walking video today. And then I also have this other flip-flop. So first is I'm going to put on my anklet. So this anklet is one of my favorite. And then